Hello, it's Lee here. Welcome to day 19 of Junk Journal January. The prompt for today is hand-lettered. Junk Journal January is hosted by Meg from Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. So straight into it, I know exactly what I'm doing. I've got to get this done before the fencing guys come back and start making noise again. So I'm going to stencil some of my favourite leafy pattern onto here. I'm just doing a plain old collage. That's the word I'm looking for. Not doing anything fancy with this one. I'm just going to get it down. Well, that didn't turn out very well, but anyway. Doesn't really look leafy, but it does work better with paint, ink than paint. So I'm going to start off by doing some splatters over that, which is gesso. So I am thinking, let's go for the pink one. Not sure if that's going to show up on the screen, but it is metallic. Take a little bit of the one next door to it, which is just a purpley, very pale purpley colour. Right, guess what? That has to dry. So I'm going to dry it with my heat gun. That's dry. How much do you love that? I love that. That's my new favourite in this book. Really love it. Okay, back to what I'm supposed to be doing. I didn't really use much of this beautiful map that I found for yesterday. That was the only bit of it that I used. So I thought I might use a bit of it today. So I tore a piece out and I've given it a little bit of a momigami treatment there. And so I'm going to put a bit of that in there. My hand lettered. I'm not writing anything. So I've got a digital. This one was from Pam at the Paper Outpost. So I'm going to put that in. And I don't want it to be up the right way, of course. I'll have it like that. There's my bit of map. Can go there. Another piece of momigami. This is book page that I have gel printed on one side of it, so that can go there. And I like the look of that. I tore it off another digital. Don't know whose it was. So I'm just going to work out where to put that in. What's this? As unique as you are. Not sure about that. I did start trying to write hand lettered. Maybe I'll add that in, but it's not real good. I can't write anymore. It's like my brain gets about 3 steps ahead of what my hand is actually doing. And okay, it doesn't work. And a bit of the same paper that I used a couple of days ago in, well, I've used it in here and in the little clusters I made, so I'll shove a bit of that in there. So take that away for the moment. How does that look? A bit boring, isn't it? Needs a focal point. So what can we have as a focal point? Maybe some more stenciling, but a little bit more refined than that last lot. I want something right there. Okay, I'm going to glue that down. And while I'm doing it, I'm going to be thinking, what can I put in here? It's my focal point. I haven't used a butterfly for a while, so maybe it will be a butterfly. I'm taking it right up to that other day. I hope this is the way that was before. I might go that way for that one. Now I know I have got butterflies hanging around. I gathered a few of them up when I knew I was going to be starting this little challenge. So I shouldn't have too much trouble finding one. So I'll just pop that in there. Go and find a butterfly. Have a bit of book page from the bottom of a book page there I've torn off, just got the number on it, and I've inked it. And I'm just going around these butterflies, which are from an Artie Mays digital kit that I bought a long time ago. So it's a bit dull looking against this because it's from a very pastel-y set. So, but I think it'll work in there. Butterflies go there, I think. I like that page number to be showing. So like that. I think that's what I want. And then I will do some splatters. Now, I want to use something a little bit different. So I was swatching on my inks today. I found these that I'd forgotten I even had. And they're distress inks. I'm not sure whether they're meant to be used with water or not. I'm going to give it a try. And this one is called Evergreen Bough. It's almost an aqua colour. Just for something different. Don't know what it's going to do. Probably soak straight into everything, I guess. Not sure. No, that's a bit boring, I think. I want some gold on there. So that's Evergreen Bough. It's just soaking straight into the paper. I'm not sure whether it's meant to be used with water or not. But I did use it with water. Where's the little block? Here we go. I'm just going to mix some of this gold with it. See what happens. It looks quite nice. It's gold with just a hint of green. Go back and put some on those birds. Carry it over to here. Okay. Let's not waste that. Smush it on there. Alrighty. I'm going to call that done. I told you it was going to be short and sweet. So that's 19 over and done with. So the prompt is handwritten. So I've got some digital handwritten paper. And I've just used a few different leftover bits and pieces. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. So cheers from Australia. Hooroo.